please stop manually searching things on Google and use AI researching tools instead. If you remember from the previous model, we covered this for your first AI agent that you can just build up and use for yourself. Now we're going to actually give it tools and a prompt to basically operate a whole lot better. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. So the tools that we're going to be using are Perplexity for researching the AI news, and we're going to use ChatGPT for the prompt. So without further ado, let's jump right into this Alchemy lesson. So we're going to jump into Perplexity. Then we are going to do Sonar, and then we're going to say, hey, what is the newest news on AI? And Sonar is the cheapest model, so let's just stick with that for now. And then what we're going to do is I've already uploaded the N8N key, pasted it in, and voila. Also, this is being a little bit weird, so just ignore that. But now we have our tool right here. Now we need a system prompt. So what we have to do is hit this, and it will give us a prompt. Delete this AI slop, and we'll go over here. Hey, so what is the latest AI news currently? I want a system for a N8N prompt that will basically, use Perplexity to look up the latest AI news, and I want it to give us 5 posts on the latest news, and I want it to be very simple for the most part, and give us clean outputs that are way better than Google. So could you do that? All right, sweet. So now it is giving us the blueprint, and it is getting us outputs as well. So what we're going to do is we are going to copy both of those examples for the actual output, and then the examples at the bottom. Perfect. Now we have to hit save, because I've freaking have forgotten so many projects and done so much work, and I just lost all progress because I did not save. So now we're gonna actually test this out and say, hey, give me 5 new AI news today, ? All right, beautiful. And now you can see it is using the brain and the voice of the AI, and it used Perplexity 5 times to give us 5 different results. It goes back, uses the brain again, and voila. Sweet. AI has accelerated the drug discovery process. Google's new innovative AI, new AI models, new Google features. And as you can see, if I were to type this into Google, I would get hit with ads, random, searches. And with AI, it basically condenses all the important information that we can just look at. And this is the beautiful thing about technology, is because it's up to date, and it shows because it is September 1st today. So pretty impressive stuff. And to end the video, I think there's a lot of use cases that you can do with this simple agent, which is you can say, what are some AI news on the healthcare space? Because currently I'm working in AI healthcare and we are providing doctors with, information on AI. So a tool like this could, make me super educated on, just AI and generally for doctors. And as you can see, it's giving me a ton of stuff where I can be super educated before I hop on a call with these doctors. And, it's super helpful for, learning more about the business you're working with and, getting leads for your business, which I will cover in the leads generation module. But I hope you learned a lot from, this video on how to basically improve your agents and add tools. So without further ado, see you in the next module.